How to copy and paste text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up any application on your phone. For example, Safari. Once you're here, scroll down to find the text that you want to copy. On this page, press and hold the text to highlight it. You can then drag the sides to select the text you want to copy. Then, tap on the copy option from the menu that appears. Now, go back and open up the application where you want to paste this text. For example, the Messages app. Select any conversation and tap inside the text input field to open up the keyboard. After long pressing on the input field, a paste option will appear. You can now see that the text which was copied has been successfully pasted into the message field. Following these steps, you can easily copy and paste text on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.